Candida Beginner Cha-Cha, study to count forward, beginner level line dance입니다. Section 1, starting foot, right foot, side, left foot, together, side cha-cha, side together, side, weight on, right, left foot, rock and recover, quarter turn, 9 o'clock, forward, shuffle. 섹션 1 카운트를 한번 해보겠습니다. 시작. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weight on left. 섹션 2 right foot step pivot, half turn to left. quarter turn left, 12 o'clock, side chasse. Weight on right. left foot, rock and recover, side chasse. 섹션 2 카운트 하겠습니다. 시작. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weight on left. 섹션 3 재즈 박스 quarter turn side chasse. cross quarter turn right step back side chasse. side chasse. left foot forward rock, recover coaster step, weight on left. Section 3, count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, right foot step pivot, half turn to left, 9 o'clock, forward shuffle, step. Left foot, rock and recover, left turn, step forward, shuffle, step, weight on left. Section 4, count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 카운트 프랙티스 전체 카운트로 한번 해보겠습니다. 섹션 1부터 준비, 시작. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 택이 있습니다. 자, 8번째가 끝나고, 자, 택, 8카운트, side rock, recover, triple step, left side rock, recover, triple step. Count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.